Hi everyone, welcome back to Emma Unicorn Sparkle 15. Today we're gonna look at my fidgets. First, I have a Wonder Woman puppet. If you love Wonder Woman, make sure this video gets a thumbs up. That's my Wonder Woman puppet. Oh, next I have a rainbow puppet. And I have a blue square puppet. Now I have a unicorn simple dimple. Unicorn simple dimple. Now I have a fidget ball. You can spin. You start here and you can spin it. I think I can't get it out. It's like so hard. See, that's my fidget ball. Now, here's the broken one. Here it is. Here's the broken one. And it got a new keychain. And it doesn't have the leaf. It's lost. It got lost before. And if it doesn't have, it's broken. It's broken. And this is so sad that my favorite keychain, puppet keychain, is broken. Zip. Okay, so here's my fidget spinner, and look at it can spin. And here what now you can spin like this. Oh, wait, you have to spin with your hand. Now I'm good. And I have a fidget stick that I use for